it's been a while, but after this onwards I'm gonna vlog like super regularly and be comfortable in front of the camera because I miss you guys so much. But let me dry my hair first, okay?
I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot cause I'm bulletproof.
Can you play that again?
Let me do. Baby, what you wanna do?
So this is how my hair looks like after it's dry. I mean, coil definitely did its job. My hair was like crusty. It was like it was breaking. And I put oil, sleep overnight because I know when my hair is breaking means I overheat it, and I never shower the next 3 days. But then now I showered and my hair is so healthy. Okay, now let's put skincare. This thing I bought from Mr. DIY is so cute. It's so helpful when I do my skincare. There's a lot more skincare products that is on the way that I purchased from Shopee, but that is just like an updated and extravaganza skincare routine. But this is just my normal everyday basic skincare routine. Okay, so I go with this vitamin E toner from the Body Shop. I've been loving this so much because like it really hydrates, plus sometimes I tend to be lazy, so I just put toner and my dark spot serum and I go to bed. But please don't do that because that's not what your skin needs. Next up is this vitamin C serum from Sephora. I like this because it's not super duper concentrated. The one that I got before this was the new the Body Shop one. It's vitamin C also, but it's so concentrated that my skin was like and it was fragrance, and I don't like any skincare that has fragrance. Anyone can relate to that? Because when I say that to people, they are like, oh my god, what if they never put fragrance? It's gonna be smelly. I'm gonna use this. It kind of matches my outfit today. It's the post-breakout dark spot fix and bro. When I say this is my holy grail, it is. It fits my scars so beautifully, and like within 2 months there's no more scars. There's no more scars in 2 months. I mean, it takes time for my scars to leave. So if you guys has like easy year fading scars, I bet it will be like gone in like a week or two, because this works. I like how it's like tiny because it's super duper concentrated. It's like almost like an eye cream size, and it works because all you need is just that much. Just apply it around your dark spots, like me, my whole face. Sephora sent me this Tatcha lightweight hydration water cream, and I love this under my makeup. So I'm gonna put on some light makeup after this, but I really love how lightweight it is, and it blends out so nicely, and it gives me this damn glow, you know. And they come with a cute little spoolie. Podum. Idu podum. And then, okay, you guys see how matte is my face? Can you see that glow? Last but not least, I use the La Roche-Posay sunscreen. I don't know how I feel about it, but so far so good. I've been using it because I don't want to waste. It's not cheap. I mean, my skin is definitely better from the last when I vlogged. When I lastly vlogged, my face was like breaking out. But yeah, now let's go and fetch my brother because he's finishing school. Then I'll show you guys a haul of that. But now let's go fetch my brother. He's coming down, and look what came into me. Okay, so my coil has been officially sold out for the next batch, and this is my new stock. It just came in. It's so beautiful, like aesthetically pleasing. Can you guys see that? This is 50 ml bottles. So it just came in the mail. So pretty. But now let's go and fetch my brother. Hi! Hi. Okay, I'm back home after fetching my brother, and then I got ready. And now I have to send my sister. I'm definitely the family driver after I get my license. But yeah, let's go and send her to work. Okay, so I'm back and excuse me, Amma cooked such a nice soya meat curry, so I just ate that. But yeah, let me show you guys what I got. Start with this H&M bag. I was like waiting for my sister that day when I need to pick her up, and then I was bored, so I was like, you know what, let's go to my favorite jewelry store and H&M, and that's all. If I go to other store, I'm gonna be broke. So I went to H&M and found this dress, and it's in trend. Like this stripe pattern is super in trend, and I got myself extra small, and it's a very long dress and I love it. And it was for about 60 plus ringgit. I mean, it's definitely gonna go on sale, but I only saw a few on the rack, so laku lah. And I went to a jewelry shop. I got this. I added a new one to my collection, which is this thing. And it's so cute. It pairs very well together with the love bracelet. Top is this PR package. I received this and I literally use every single one thing already. But I'm gonna show you guys anyway, okay? Thank you so much, Anastasia Beverly Hills, for sending me this. But I got 4 shades of their lip liner. I have Dusty Rose now on my lips, and it's, when I say it lasts long, it lasts so long. And then I got their brow wiz. It's not even in the box. I'm gonna throw all the box actually, so this haul is really much needed. Oh my god, the finish is so beautiful, and I love the spoolie that comes with it. It brushes off so beautifully. You guys should definitely invest in this. I heard Anastasia Beverly Hills has a very good brow product, and also the benefits, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, they do, but this changed my mind. Their concealer, which is actually my favorite concealer at the moment, because I changed my whole makeup routine. So now I don't conceal the whole damn face. I spot conceal and I do brightening concealer under my eyes. But this makeup is only fully with powder, but look at that, it's flawless. So if you guys want a full makeup with only powder, comment down below. Yeah, this is like 1 shade darker than my skin, but it definitely works for dark spot concealing, like spots conceal. Definitely get this, because the consistency, the texture, or like the creaminess, I don't make sense, but yeah, superb. I really love the formula. Up is their lipstick. This is their satin lipstick, and I got this in 4 shades as well. If you guys want to see the swatches, definitely check my TikTok and my Lemonade account. Yeah, I posted in both of the platforms. Brow wax. I am still learning how to use this, but I need to get the correct spoolie from them because they never send me that. Yeah, but yeah, that's that. Eyeshadow palette. Bro, this eyeshadow palette is so beautiful. Colors is beautiful. Like, I haven't even removed the mirror thingy, but the colors is so beautiful. Can you guys see that? Yeah, my favorite at the moment. Next up is this Khesyinii. They sent me this also, and it's so cute. I've already posted a photo and a reel with these, and the bag is currently my everyday bag because it's such an easy carry-on bag, and it's like a multi-purpose bag because you can use this bag in 3 ways. So one way is like this, another way is to remove this and just carry it like that, and another way is the long strap because it comes with the long strap. And it's so cute because the color is something I really wanted for an everyday bag, and I don't have. I only have like big ass bag in this color. Little did I know, Khesyinii is a Malaysian brand that started on 2016, and it's thriving, and I really love the concept of their brand. So yeah, that's that. And it comes with the ribbon also. I'm gonna... Yeah. Oh, I totally forgot it even comes with the dust bag, so I'm not using this today. So let me just quickly put it in the dust bag. Last but not least is this big ass bag. I can fit in, like, can you see it takes up the whole camera? I can fit in this bag. Like, really, you wanna see? I told you I can fit. I feel like I'm going in a Joe Malone roller coaster. It can be so dumb at times. Okay, so let me show you guys what came in the bag. You guys see that? The color is so adorable. And I'm gonna open it because it's been here for a while because I wanted to show you guys. And the smell is abnormal, like so nice. Two scent that they sent me, oh Jesus. And this is their osmanthus blossom, and this is their star magnolia. It's not focusing. Yeah, star magnolia. And it's two color. Okay, if I were to explain this smell, let me smell it again. Okay, this smells like not even vanilla. I love a rich musky vanilla smell, but this caught my heart because it smells like floral, but it still gives you the feminine, divine, but also a little hint of masculinity in it, and I love it. I love how the floral and masculine combine, and I can just walk this and I can turn people's head. They'll be like, oh my god, I recognize that smell, you know, that type of smell. And then it's the star magnolia. This smells like, imagine just walking into like a floral type of 5-star hotel. Yeah, it smells like that. So it smells a little of luxury, and it smells a little flowery, and it smells like a little jasmine too, because it's like, it's so nice. I'm gonna spray it now. I love to mix this both together, like that's what I do. It smells so much better. And then I got these from Joe Malone also. It's their teacup set. Is the teacup set? Oh no. And it comes with like two glass, and the glass looks like that. It's so adorable. And this is the cover, and this the teacup, and it comes with like this thing here, so that you can put the petals or like the coffee. They also give that, which is in here, and then you put hot water and you can just cover it and enjoy your tea session. And it's so adorable, and I like how they never do these like brands all over the teacup. It's like, if you know, you know, you know. So sad because it broke. It came broken, but I'm still gonna keep it anyway because it's so adorable. I keep this box as a decoration piece because, like, look at that, it's so posh. Like, imagine this under your Christmas tree, and it's not even spring yet, so that's too much to ask. I bet you guys saw this bag, but this is not from the Body Shop. What's inside here is something I'm going to do for Coil, and I want you guys to stay tuned. Currently we are out of stock for the 50 ml, so don't forget to get your 100 ml now while it lasts, and I will be restocking in 2 to 3 days, so don't forget to click the link to get yours now. Deserve some treat for today after a long week of work. So let's go Eco Palladium and see if I can get some flowers and some bags, because I saw this one grand opening shop which they sell like cute as small like Gucci LV vintage bag, and it's original, and I've always wanted one because I love tiny bags. So yeah, let's go. Let me show you guys my feet because it's so cute. Gentlewoman bag, H&M top, H&M pants, and Nike Dunk Panda. that because they are closed. Because I never check before coming here. So yeah, thank God they have like, can you see that? A QR code for me to scan. Yeah, Instagram. Yeah. So I guess I'll check there and come back again. Now I'm so hot because it's like sunny. Sunny wanda now unakku sunny yun. So I saw this one shop at the roadside and it's a Malay who selling drinks and our drink looks so nice, so let's support. I tried like just a small gerai at this like a roadside. Honestly speaking, it tastes so much better than like big shops because like they do it with their heart, you know, always, and it tastes so good. And it's like cow, you know, their Assam boy. Wow, tastes so good. Malai varudu kudai kondu va. Mission success! Woohoo! I'm so damn tired now and I'm gonna end the vlog here. I just finished prepping for coil and you guys can hear Nadagam sound and everything. It just makes your body feel like you need rest. I'm gonna clean up everything and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Alright? Love you guys. Mwah.